Hello, this is Lisa Langell, and I'm in the middle of beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona, and I want to talk to you a little bit about some creative ways to change your game with photography. In the past, we've tried to do different things in camera to change our photography and improve it, and we can still do that. I'm going to give you some important tips for getting outside your box. But in addition, I want you to be thinking about the end result. A lot of folks don't think about where is this picture going to go beyond maybe posting it to Instagram or Facebook or wherever. So I want to give you some ideas that will really change the final outcome of your work, something that will make it look spectacularly professional and really personal still to you. We're going to do some mixed media things. We're going to have a lot of fun, and it's a totally different game changer for most of you in how you do your photography. So I look forward to teaching you some secrets of how to do so. I definitely look forward to having a lot of fun, and I hope to see you soon. So take care.